Leading by example, case studies of solar installations, and I have Ed Hussey from SAS Energy.
10 minutes. So hello everybody, and good afternoon, thanks for your time. My name is Ed Hussey and I'm the Business Accounts Manager at SAS Energy. I've been with the company for 11 years, working closely with the operations and the sales departments. I've been asked here today to talk to you all a bit more about us and the solutions we can deliver. But firstly, let me introduce our company, SAS Energy. Next slide. So SAS Energy is a Kent-based company focused on the design, installation and supply of renewable systems. The company was first formed in 2009 and we started as a small domestic installer that over the years grew into one of the most recognised and respected renewable energy companies within the industry. We install nationally and our reputation for professionalism, high quality and safety has led to a high volume of returning and new clients, which some are here today. Our clients range from private and public sector businesses and our aim is to help them implement sustainable energy solutions within their organisations. Next slide, please. As you can see from the pictures, we offer a wide range of services such as rooftop solar, solar carports, ground mount arrays, battery storage and EV charging. Additionally, we also offer design and CDM consultancy, high voltage and service and maintenance works. We can create a bespoke plan for your organisation to reach your goals through efficient and sustainable solar PV solutions. Most of our works are focused on rooftop solar, ground mount installations, and lately we are also experiencing increased inquiries for battery storage and solar carports, which became a great way to utilise space and decarbonise the sites. Next slide, please. The implementation of solar PV systems comes with many advantages. First and foremost, your business will gain a secure and energy source that will lower your operational costs and give you a certain level of independency when it comes to the grid's volatile energy prices. Having a solar PV array installed at your site also means that your asset will gain additional value. This might be of importance to housing associations, developers, business owners or landlords. Renewables are also a clear statement to the community that your business is actively fighting climate change and that the environmental measures are within the core values of your business, something everyone should consider. This low carbon technology provides considerable environmental advantages, as the process allows businesses to lower their grid dependencies and CO2 emissions. It also represents a notable long-term investment. After covering the initial cost of the installation, a business can see quick returns on investments, which at the moment usually comes within 3 to 5 years, all thanks to the energy saving measures, which I'll talk about on the next slide. So, as you can see, the screen shows a real-life example of return on investment for a 91 kilowatt power peak solar PV system funded by CapEx. The data on the sheet shows, starting from the left, the annual production from the solar PV system, in this case at approximately 89,000 kilowatt hours, with the site consuming approximately 88% of the annual solar generation. Electricity saving from the annual solar generation, with the client currently paying 35p per kilowatt hour unit from the grid. Export tariff payments, if applicable, in this case is actually zero, plus the annual maintenance, operations and maintenance costs per year also included. The final columns indicating the collective profit and annual cash position. In red, we have the negative values before going into black when positive, and the project has recouped the cost of the installation in the black. In summary, this example, the return on investment has been achieved after only 3 years, even with the added expense of the annual maintenance cost per year. Next slide, please. So we've actually touched on this installation already, thanks to Avesco. So a few years back, we partnered up with Avesco and delivered this 50 kilowatt or 48 kilowatt solar PV system, which was funded by the community-owned solar projects. The main objects of the project, again, as Chris said, was to save money on their energy costs, reduce the school's negative impact on the environment through low carbon renewables, and to also provide tools for educating the students on renewable technology. For this project, we used 152 solar PV modules mounted to a flat roof framework, and it connects into 2 Fronius 3-phase inverters. Next slide, please. So again, throughout the academic year, solar PV installation generated a total of 47,951 kilowatt hour of green sustainable energy, where the school consumed 91% of the energy generated, with the rest being exported and sold back to the grid. The entire solar power generated by the installation covered 15% of the total consumption of the site. Next slide, please. So this was another project we partnered up with the University of Sussex and their facilities department to design and deliver a system size of 864 kilowatt hours peak. This was delivered across 29 of their existing accommodation and teaching buildings, consisting of various roof types from pitched roofs, and you can see on the picture, and also flat roof solar arrays. We installed a total of 3,144 Trina solar PV modules that generated approximately 844,000 megawatt hours of green energy per year to be used on the site. The project was delivered on a tight and busy schedule with term time in mind and required completion before the students returned for the new semester, including roof access requirements as well as electrical works to meet the current standards. Through this project, the University of Sussex delivered their admirable carbon reduction target and reduced their emissions by 44% in 2020. Next slide, please. So we also offer, when it comes to the solar and maintenance of your system, it is as important as the quality of the construction of the works. So once your renewable system is up and working, following a correct maintenance plan, from annual servicing to cleaning your solar panels, will boost the lifespan of the system from 20 to even 30 years. We create for our clients a bespoke solution based on their specific needs and the site's environmental conditions. So as stated on the slide, these are annual PPM inspection and testing, remedial and reactive works, solar module cleaning, off-site remote monitoring services, and warranty cover. Having a maintenance contract guarantees that all components are checked regularly by one of our certified electricians and will ensure also their reliability. Dealing with small problems first guarantees that the system will avoid extra costs and downtime, which has a positive impact on your overall generation, savings, and return on investments. Our remote off-site monitoring service is the best way to ensure peak performance, as live generation data is analysed and reported against the predicted performance output of the systems. And next slide. Thank you very much for your time.
Thank you very much.